On December 24th, 2025, cops responded to a local Target complaint where a woman was shoplifting and tried to escape.
I don't have anything.
Up against the wall. Put your stuff down. Put your stuff down. Put your hands behind your back. All right, put your hands behind your back. All right, stay just like that. Don't move.
I'll pay for it.
Nope, that's not how this works.
Can you grab my stuff?
All right, she'll grab your stuff. Trying to before that other car can hold off. One custody.
Can you stuff my wrist?
Is it too tight?
It's like,
all right, just sit tight. Hold on.
I know.
Stand right here. I'm gonna fix your cuffs. Relax.
Can I just pay for it? It's not even a lot. Please.
Hold on, I gotta grab my key.
All my stuff at a hotel too, and if I have to go to jail, someone's gonna take all my stuff.
That's not the case. If you gotta go to jail, then they'll just put your stuff aside. Is this someone hurt?
No, nobody's gonna know that I'm going to jail or anything. Nobody will go get my stuff. I don't have any family here.
All right, go
I'm
ahead,
so
take a seat.
sorry.
You wanted to see it? Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, no,
I can pay
Oh,
for
got a
it
receipt
right
for
now, please. And I won't ever go again.
What is your name, miss?
I'm just trying to get stuff to take back for my kids' Christmas present.
Is it 2 L's? Okay. I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
Am I going to jail?
Yes. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now? Having these rights in mind to talk to us now?
Yes.
Okay. What did you put in your purse?
What she has in her thing is a shaver thingy.
The shaver thingy, and what's the other thing? They're both shavers?
If I go to...
Alright.
All my stuff's gonna be going on my baby's purse. Please. Do I have to go to jail?
Yes.
Can I make a call before so that I can have somebody trying to go get my stuff at my hotel?
Where do you live at usually?
I don't have a home right now. I'm about to go back.
I meant, like, are you from Peoria?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please don't take me.
How many babies you got?
to
Where are you at?
DCFS.
DCFS got both your kids? Alright. What are you doing for Christmas this year?
I wanted to see my kids, but I can't, so I'm getting a present.
Alright.
Please don't take me to jail.
I haven't seen anything in her.
I put, there's no clothes in
it's just the
here.
lip smackers.
Are you on your way up here?
Can you give me
What's that? Tissue?
Don't take me to jail. Please, my forehead.
John 34. We'll take a cage car though, please.
Please don't.
29 in route, so probably gonna be your best bet.
Thank you.
What is those two?
Can I keep this? Okay.
Take a picture of it.
Yep.
Are they gonna keep me?
No, you'll be out by tomorrow.
Oh my God. Can you put these in front of me so I can scratch my hip?
I cannot. Did she pay for this lip smacker stuff? Okay.
I forgot it was on my thing. I really did.
Alright. All right, we're waiting for the wagon to show up.
John 34, case numbers 25337, 25337.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Going for it, mate.
Can you have it?
Enemy, Officer Watson.
What's up, man? All right, you're gonna go with this gentleman right here.
Number for him, he wasn't marked out anywhere.
Can you call first?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Oh, she's gonna call where's your? She's gonna call the hotel she's staying at so they can put her stuff aside. Hello.
I'm going to
Take it.
jail.
She got anything
For
else?
fucking stealing. Oh. Yeah, I need you to go get my shit out. Well, I don't know what time. Do you know when I'll be out?
I mean, probably by tomorrow. They're just gonna NTA you from the jail.
Is it under?
Enemy, Officer
Under.
Watson.
Everybody's going though this season.
Yeah.
They're gonna give you a court date when you get to the jail. They're gonna take your picture. They're gonna fingerprint you. They're gonna in process you, and then when they got time, they're gonna issue you a summons, and you're gonna leave.
What time was it served?
I just, yeah, but I don't know. I need to, my stuff's at the hotel,
Copy
and
1800
I
AM,
can't.
report number. 24 has that right. Now. 923.
Where am I going to?
Peoria County Sheriff.
Peoria County.
What's probably gonna happen is you're gonna go over there. They're gonna book you in, give you an ETA, and let you lose.
You didn't give me a ride from the jail. Remember?
Yeah, we got you on this. Yeah. I'll have another one for you. Number the way he.
Did you have anything on you that they're gonna find at the jail that you're not supposed to have? Okay, all right then.
You want me to put that on you?
Bummer. No.
You want to drape it on you? Not that cold.
My wrapping paper.
We're gonna.
Oh, did she purchase that?
I purchased
She
that.
purchased it, so
You gonna hold on to it for me?
It's at least I could just y'all could look at that's like wrap some of my presents when I
you
get
just
back.
you can't take it to the jail. I
I mean-
don't either. Okay, so we're not open tomorrow, so it's got to be postpoted. Unless you have, did you drive a vehicle?
No,
Where were you going? You didn't drive a vehicle?
it's fine. I had a ride here, but they left.
Okay.
So it's just gonna be postpoted, and the money's gonna go back onto your card. Okay.
Fine.
Alright.
Now I'm fucking crying.
Watch out for your head.
Alright.
The woman was charged with retail theft and taken to jail. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.